Oh, today is April 1st. It's a beautiful day. We're down by Waterford Township today. David had to go to the pulmonologist down here. And it seems like I can't go for a walk anywheres unless I find something. Now, this is not an artifact, it's a natural stone formation. But to me, it looks like the face of a thunderbird. See it? The head in profile. So I had to pick it up, take it home to my collection. It's a gift. Check out this beautiful old tree. Dead, obviously, but it's so textured and time worn and weathered. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.